Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is ingredients of data modeling. The word ingredients means element. A data model consists of different elements or objects. The objects that are used to represent data items in data model are known as ingredients of data model. Ingredients of data modeling. First ingredient is entities. Anything in real world that has different attributes or set of different attributes or properties is known as entity. An entity may be an object with physical existence such as a person, a place. Similarly, an entity may be an object with conceptual existence such as university course, account, a job, an event. Or some examples of entities are teacher, class, student, car, computer. A rectangular box is used to represent an entity. Attributes. The characteristics of or properties of an entity that describes it is called attribute. The characteristics or properties of an entity that describes it is called attributes. An entity may have many attributes. For example, an entity student may be described by his class roll number, name, his height, his address, his color. These are the attributes of student entity. In ER diagram, an attribute is represented by placing its name in an oval shape. It is connected to its associated entity by drawing a line. An ER diagram showing student entity with its associated attributes is shown in the following figure. Entity student and attributes roll number, name and marks are shown in this figure. Relationships. A link or association between entities is called relationship. A relationship indicates how the entities are related to each other. An example of the relationship between mother and children. One mother may have many children, but each child has only one mother. A relationship between entities is always given a relevant name. In ER diagram, a relationship is indicated by a diamond shape labeled with relationship name. The diamond shape is placed between entity symbol, connecting with the lines. As in this figure, you can see we have two entities, manager and department, and a relationship between them is manager manage department. Ingredients of data modeling. Relationships. The entities or data objects can be associated or connected to one another in different ways. For example, different possible and relevant relationships between bookstore and books are as follows. A bookstore orders book. A bookstore displays books. A bookstore stocks books. A bookstore sells books. A bookstore returns books. All the relationships define the relevant connection between both objects. All the relationships are bidirectional. We have to consider only the relevant relationships. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.